Oh, no.
So we drove all the way to Kansas to do this, and we could have just come to you.
It was a little more than that.
Good.
Good? Yeah. We'll start mixing.
You don't have to whisper, I can edit anything you want out. You don't have to whisper, I can edit the video. Okay. I don't know, Scott, you staying for supper?
No, we're gonna do this and, do some fuel line stuff, and then I'll probably be on the road by 5. I don't know what time it is now.
4:20.
Okay. Whenever we get done here, then I'm heading out. So.
Give me a little heads up so I'll make sure I'm in the right spot.
Yeah. All right, I'm going in with the second part. I got 10 seconds and we're ready to go.
Good, I'm ready. Here we go.
Oh, shit. All right, forward.
Go ahead.
Happy to say it all made it in.
Cool. You gotta feel what I'm feeling.
What's that?
You ought to feel what I'm feeling.
Is it warm?
Oh, no, it's just...
Really?
Good.
Is it starting to swell?
Yeah, it's warm too.
Yeah. Can you lean that way at all?
No, it's a comfy spot.
It's a comfy spot.
Comfy spot.
Right.
Don't worry about even.
Okay. I was just trying to get it to where, so
No, it's all
we're
good.
gonna end up having to trim all this.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, it's coming up. Oh yeah, it's coming up out of the bag. We might have a mess on the race car by the time it's done. Bitch. Yeah, you're right. Cutting that shit out of there.
Yeah, it's I think it's you stick something between my helmet and the top,
Yeah.
might be too late.
Yeah. Is it pushing you up?
Yeah.
I had a block of wood, but.
This is, yeah, pretty good.
Push up on my hand if you need to.
That's good.
Want to make sure that you've got room. I don't want to have to sit there with your head on.
Now I just gotta be still. Feels like it's about done expanding.
Yeah, it's, it kind of put. Yeah, it was blowing up on the side of the robot here, on the back, and then it slowed up. Were you able to push yourself back, or you push back far enough, you think?
It's as good as it's gonna be.
Okay.
My legs about ready to go numb the way it is.
Well, like you say, I think it's pretty much done expanding. Pretty crazy stuff.
What's it doing?
It's just warm. It's actually starting to get hard. It was like Jello before, now it's like probably like a poultry form type
Mhm.
consistency. So what? And then it gets hard, like you can't push your thumb into it. Is that what
Yeah, no, it's got some cush.
it does? It?
Yeah, but it's hard enough that you can sand it.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Got any room?
Huh?
Got any room up there?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, my whole hand is in there, so.
Does my position look better than it did sitting in the other seat? As far as where I'm sitting, I'm pretty straight up and down. I tried to keep it to one spot.
Yeah, I think you're pretty good shape. I mean, I know your head's in the center here.
Well, you know how I was laying down with the other one?
Yeah,
Yeah, that part looks better.
well, I can't tell right now.
Okay. I think it's done pushing if you wanna take your hand.
Yeah, you look, you're sitting more upright now. Yeah, before it looked like you were in a lay down car.
Yeah. Frank's fire suit was like
Yeah.
putting 10 pounds of sausage in a 5-pound sack.
Now, at what point do you say enough's enough and come out of there?
I think 10 minutes.
Okay.
One-time use.
I'm sorry?
One-time use.
Yeah, you ain't get that. Yeah, it's definitely done. Does that brake lever feel any better?
Much better,
Okay.
yeah. We'll see how it is for clearance, but, I think it's gonna be fine. As long as it ain't ripping the back of my glove. Don't hardly fit with a regular shoe on.
That's what Sean said. Have you got your fire boots in there?
Yeah, they're in here, but they're in the other side.
Oh, okay.
You want me to get them, put them on?
No. It is what it is.
Yeah. Feel pretty firm?
Yeah.
Get out.
Yeah, I think it's done.
Good. Whew, it's hot in there.
Yeah. I mean, we can let it set and, firm up before we start trimming.
Yeah, that looks much better. Oh, there was like 4 inches of foam between the my back and the other, and there wasn't any of that.
Yeah. Cool. That's it?
Done deal.
Instant seat. Well, it's gotta be a real back saver, cause I mean, you don't get no more custom than that.
Exactly. Yeah, there's no room to move around in a big old hit.
Yeah. Then gets out there and quivers the tires or something, and then you're not having to worry about it.
Or it backs in the wall upside down.
No, we ain't doing that.
You guys gotta be prepared for all angles.
You know, that's one thing I've noticed about the Alters. They don't, the shorter ones like this don't have as much structure at the back for if you ended up backing the wall. You know. As much as that funny car tree is, you know.
Yeah, like sprint car wing.
Yeah.
Soaking up some energy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but we won't go there. That's all.
Yeah. Lift before you
Yeah.
crash.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
That's amazing.
25 or 30% of that will be cut off.
Where do you trim it, even with the 10, all the way around? Is that, you keep it with the 10?
Yeah, on the top, and then the sides is kind of up to the person. Probably gonna end up being something.
Yeah. got built-in armrest, you can leave that in
Yeah,
there.
you know, it's a little snug when you pull the brake back.
Yeah, that's the thing,
I sat to the left in our old car too.
Did you?
Yeah. So that's the pad right there.
Yeah. So, that's a good point.
Yep.
You were all the way down.
Yeah. I guess if I could have left that out, but there wouldn't have been any cushion if you ever had any issues.
Yeah.
You had more room, but. I'll have to go get Kim's electric knife.
Oh, yeah, that'll work well.
Yeah. Show the folks what we got here.
Pour-in seat, two-part epoxy foam.
Still pretty warm to touch, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a little warm, but it's cooling down.